All right, so today I'm going to try and get through a fair amount of information. The first part, we're going to cover advanced string processing. Um, the reason that I want to cover advanced string processing is because it's used in a lot of different contexts and a lot of different programs. Being able to make sense of a large glob of text data is sort of a fundamental skill of maybe not computer science, but absolutely software development. And that way of thinking and picking apart text and seeing patterns and learning to use the right kind of analysis to get the information that you want out of a piece of text is really important. And it's fair to say that it's sort of the foundation on which large language models like ChatGPT are built. Now, we're not going to be doing a large language model, sadly, um, but we will be looking at some of the fundamental ideas that have led over years and years to the progression of some of those tools. And basically, what we have in common with those models in our work today is that we're trying to make sense of data, or we're trying to teach a computer how to make sense of data. Now, the computer doesn't really make sense of it, right? The computer provides us with tools that can modify or summarize or tell us additional information about that data so that we can make better sense of it. And there are lots and lots of tools. Python absolutely excels at this, which is one of the reasons that Python is so frequently used when we're studying AI. So